In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airwallex to Xero. By the end, you'll have your Airwallex account talking directly to Xero, so your payouts and transactions flow through automatically, making reconciliation faster and cleaner. Before we start, make sure you can sign into both platforms and that you have the right permissions to connect apps. If your business uses multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. Begin by opening Airwallex and signing into your business workspace. If you manage more than one workspace, double-check that you're in the correct one for the company you want to connect. A quick glance at the workspace name in the top area can save you from linking the wrong account. Complete any security prompts and wait for the dashboard to load fully so all menus are available. From your dashboard, head to the Connections area. Depending on your layout, you'll find Connections in the main navigation. This is where Airwallex lists the apps and services it can integrate with. Give the page a second to populate. You should see categories for different types of tools. Accounting platforms are typically highlighted, and that's where Xero appears. Locate the Xero tile and select it to start the integration. You'll usually see a Connect or Get Started button. Click that, and Airwallex will guide you through an authorization flow. You'll be redirected to Xero to sign in and confirm that Airwallex is allowed to access your Xero data. If you manage multiple organizations in Xero, carefully choose the correct organization you want to link. Review the requested permissions so you understand what information will be shared, then approve the connection. After authorization, you'll return to Airwallex to confirm a few details. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to choose which Airwallex accounts or wallets should sync, set a start date for the feed, or include fees and refunds so they're captured accurately. Pick the options that reflect how you reconcile in Xero and save your choices. You should see a confirmation that the connection is active. The first sync can take a few minutes. That's normal. Keep the tab open until the status shows as connected. If anything doesn't proceed as expected, check that pop-ups are allowed in your browser. Verify that you're an admin in both systems with permission to connect apps, and make sure you selected the right Xero organization during authorization. That's it. Sign in to Airwallex, go to Connections, then find Xero and start the integration. Once connected, your data will begin to flow, setting you up for smoother bookkeeping and faster month-end close.